In this video, I'll show you how to use Replit Agent to build an app. First, open your web browser, go to Replit, and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, click Create and choose Start with AI or Open Replit Agent, depending on the version of Replit you're using. Next, describe the app you want to build in as much detail as possible. Include the app's purpose, the features you want, the design, and any technologies or integrations you'd like to use. The more specific your prompt is, the better the results will be. Now, click Generate or Start, and Replit Agent will begin creating your project. It may generate the application structure, write the code, install dependencies, and configure the project automatically. Wait while the process is completed. After that, review the generated app and test it by clicking the Run button. If you want to make changes, return to the Replit Agent chat and describe the updates you need. You can ask it to add features, fix bugs, improve the design, or optimize the code, and it will update your project based on your instructions. Finally, once you're satisfied with your app, test it one more time, save your changes, and click Deploy if you're ready to publish it. Follow the deployment steps to make your application available online. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Replit Agent to build an app. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.